Welcome back to the channel, my viewers and subscribers. Today is another, not epic, but another adventurous day for me. Today we are going to go and go buy the some parts for the compactor. As it relates to the starter, because in the previous video, I said the starter, the gear never go out, so we are going to buy the parts for that day. Stop at the technician, get that sorted out. We are going to ready the muffler man, I got the muffler shop. Start with the muffler, get the muffler overhaul, because it's a muffler leak and all that, but sitting right now. To fix that, I got the plastic well man, collect the tank from come leave the tank from last week, previously. Buy some little parts. And there's some little things that I want, you know, hose and screws and the little stuff to make it thing proper. Yeah, so come back with that sort of it. Anyhow, let's stick and stay on the journey, alright? Yes, my viewers, so reach a man living now, you see it? Alright, I guess we can park here, so park over the fire station too. Maybe we park up there, so yes, my viewers, depending on where I go, the technician shop, you know. Let them pull it down. So what is what? Mighty long way, Lord. Mighty long way. Mighty long. I see nobody here. Yo. Yeah. Where you going now, brother? Are you? You know, so that starter, yeah. It a spin normal, you know. It a spin, but it go to gear and go to spin it for a flywheel. Eh? So they might tell me say the solenoid or something. I don't know. You're the expert, so be careful.
Well, what?
Eh? Yeah.
Let's see.
Yes, maybe the technician has started to see it. So, see him thing you want to see. That good as well?
Alright,
so you that?
Around board, you know, the clutch here, this and then if you make it go far in the way, put the story in that one and go up in
Yeah, alright, do your maths now.
Go!
This ground is really fine.
You play a skate.
a piece lately. Roller is a roller starter in the park for a while. Yeah, so we go buy it and overhaul the complete thing. So start from one to the other. some kind of testing in this, so I know what I'm doing, you know? Yes, my viewers, general say, conclude say, this are the problems, so forget this I know right now. Are you placing Fuse Electric, to say?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright, watch, follow me. So, go across the fire station. Yes, my viewers, so we actually get to know, you know. Yeah, man, see new product here, no?
Change up, I guess.
Take care of them pretty, you know. And they say, yeah, man, and they're big.
I'll do that $5. I find this one is a thing there, L200.
Oh.
Starter.
Finalize with the pan.
Get you?
Must have worried about it starting to.
Burn again. Yeah. I remember what you said. One again.
I did bad shoes.
So that maybe was alright, so that's the problem. They solved now, so we can move on to something else. Just my viewers, I come Molo, so I can get the piece of turbo hose or manifold hose, but they don't have it, so we're going to move again. Yes, my viewers, I reached the muffler shop, you know, so we're going to see what can the expert them in and sort out them and sort out, alright? Yeah, I think that's for that side there.
Alright.
How is this angle?
Yeah, right, this is the yeah, it don't really matter, man. Oh, this one for well?
Yeah.
Or it have to clamp?
How you want it?
Alright, if you saw for well, this side of go loose so it can adjust. Yeah, me adjust which part of it adjust.
Check back in our next 2 hours.
Yes, my viewers. The general only say muffler already, so we just reach now and I go inspect it. Ah, they're back full. But only know what the next part, man.
No, I mean if you watch
Oh, the angle. Oh.
Oh, close to the bit.
Gotcha. When next piece will you cut off? Because I'm going to use the discretion and call it that. Yeah. Yes, my viewers, we reach at the plastic well man now, so instead do a good job, so we'll go take in what you do, you understand? If not, have to go resort back to the original plan of fixing it yourself. So you put water in that time test before me take up the prints?
I put water in there.
You full up it?
But you see pump, when you pump it, you pump it, put more pressure on it.
You pump up, put more pressure on it?
You will see if we had a leak. If you have a leak, still me I tell you.
You don't have a leak?
Then you make the black jump. No leak. This is a simple thing.
Let me see the lower part of it.
Which water again?
Don't do so. You see, you test it with whole of water?
I test it, but I put the amount of water in there because I have so much water. No pipe, no blind.
Alright, viewers, we'll take it from him and go down. Yes, my viewers, the general prince ain't find 1/2 bucket of water here, so I'm going to throw in here and see what is what. Great man. Deadly mechanic man, deadly mechanic man. Van mash up, van crash everything. Van crash every vehicle. Van crash every vehicle very hard.
That difference. Yes, Tom.
Want to buy?
No plastic.
Want to buy?
No man, a gas tank, I want a roller tank, a little roller. Then the tank, they are plastic, you know? Look underneath it, Amarok. No, for me van. I want a plastic man. I did the man BMW a plastic that one. Alright, my viewers, just see if no leak there. Wait, that's sweat to you? No, that's sweat.
No.
I do shine? Oh. Oh. You don't see no leak.
Ah, see that.
There's no leak so far. Is it running so good? I turn over on the fancy side. Yeah. There's a tough full of water. So they push it ticky. Alright. Alright, put it back down, please. Alright, if you guys see that, no leak. It's a little sitting here, I think it's a come from Patap. What's the prince? Patap is a come from?
Yeah.
Sure, go on again, man, go on again. The leak, boy.
The drip.
The drip prince, you see that? Okay, I don't know about that. Water, bend it some, lean it somewhere to me. Alright, pull it back up, Yeah.
Right.
Alright, my viewers, you have a little leak here, so Prince, I'm going to do it. What's up right there, you can fast, you know. Gotta take him in action.
We're more if it goes some. So me man the bumper for Dyna man.
Yeah man, one little drop up at the top, see that? A little drop, see that? A little drop. A little drop. Right there, sir. Right there, sir.
Yeah.
Right there, sir. A little beer. Moment of truth now, my viewers. See it, see a little pinhole in that leak. So, alright, make you see what I'm doing. Blood clit. Again.
Alright, show me the bars. Flat.
Hold on.
Yo, so I'm on the other here.
Judah Mafia. Get Judah there. I want to thank Prince they are fixing me.